YouTube, what is going on, you guys? We are back again with another video. We have a pickup, you guys. Before you do get that started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Join the notification gang, you guys. We are making some big moves. Our channel slowly picking up some momentum again. It's been a long time since it has. Like, I took like a whole year break, and even before then I rarely posted. So this is honestly the most that I've posted kind of consistently, even though I want to be a little bit more consistent than where I am. So hopefully we can work around that and make things happen. I did want to get this video real quick out to you guys. Before we do get started, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. I would really appreciate that. It is that little thumbs up. Just give it a little click. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open this package up. As you guys can see, we do have a pair of 700s. I'll read you guys the colorway. So it's Alvah, right there, boom. And honestly, I'm surprised. Like, this shoe, I feel like should have been way more hyped than what it turned out to be. I am surprised. Like, hold on a sec. Like, guys, I just want your guys' opinion. Do you guys think Yeezys are falling off? Like, Adidas, you guys. Adidas in general. I'm in sneaker groups, okay? And people are specifically saying, looking for Nike, not looking for Adidas. Like, specific, like, everywhere, okay? So, is Adidas falling off, like, that hard right now? It's kind of crazy, because I feel like Adidas kind of popped off, you know, in what, 2015, 2016 kind of time. And like that Yeezy hype, the Kanye effect is just slowly wearing down. So it's really crazy to see, like, these are like worth nothing anymore. These are still somewhat like desirable, but at the same time, I'm seeing like nobody are placing like bids on StockX for these, like high bids at least. And these, the Wave Runners, like, I honestly think these are all still super dope. Like, I don't know, the hype of these though have just died out a ton. And that leads us to these right here, which are the newest updated version of the 700s. I've honestly never seen the V3 before. V2, not really that big of a fan, so we'll see what the V3 brings us. All right. So unfortunately, these are too small. But just looking at the shoe, damn, these are kind of crazy, actually. What material is this? It's not even... So I'm pretty sure there's no boost in this, but it has some type of foam material on the outsole. Very strange. This reminds me a lot like some alien looking shoes. Like, I'm pretty sure this glows in the dark too, which makes it even, like, you know, more. But overall though, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I have kind of mixed feelings on these. I don't know whether I like them or not. Like, I don't know. This mesh material is kind of like throwing me off. Like, this side you can see like right through it. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not, because the light's facing me, but like, it's kind of strange. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think of these? Like, let's compare this. So we have the Wave Runners, and we got these. Like, this is like the dad shoe, and this took the dad shoe to like a whole new level. Like, god damn, look at this. Look at this. I don't know. A little strange, to be honest. Like I said, still kind of have mixed feelings. On the toe right here, it's kind of interesting. It's kind of grippy. Kind of has like rubber toes. Maybe that's why the Yeezy hype is dying. The shoes aren't as aesthetically pleasing to the eye, in my opinion. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. But maybe that's what it is. And honestly, I think Nike's just been killing it. Nike's been killing it with the Dunks, with the Jordan 1 colorways they've been coming out with, which I need to show you guys. Video coming up. We got 28 pairs of the court purples, I'm telling you guys. Don't miss that. Subscribe. I bought these to honestly flip, and they've been going up slowly since the release. I don't know if I see these being something that I'm going to hold for a while that's going to blast off in price. Thank you so much, you guys, for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, if you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. Join the notification gang and hit that thumbs up button. This is Jason Tang. I'm out, you guys. Peace.